Tired of juggling multiple platforms just to get paid? Let's unlock the power of QuickBooks Payments and streamline your entire payment process. First, sign up for QuickBooks Payments directly through your QuickBooks Online or desktop account. Navigate to the Payments tab or Merchant Services section. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Follow the prompts to enter your business and banking information. Now, let's integrate. When creating invoices in QuickBooks, you'll see options to enable online payments. Make sure you toggle that on. Customers can then pay directly from the invoice using credit cards or ACH transfers. Need to process a payment in person? You can manually enter credit card details in QuickBooks or connect a QuickBooks Compile card reader for seamless transactions. Always prioritize data security, folks. Managing transactions is a breeze. The QuickBooks Payments dashboard allows you to track all your payments, view processing fees, and see when funds will be deposited into your bank account. Reconciliation is now simpler than ever. QuickBooks automatically matches payments to invoices, saving you tons of time and reducing errors. That's it, you're all set. QuickBooks Payments, making getting paid effortless.